This video will be a quick walkthrough of the UI of VMware vRealize Operation 6.5. This is the first screen that is brought up after login. There are a few differences from the previous version, but it retains a lot of similarities as well. This installation has already been set up with integration to vCenter and Login Site. Starting off with the top bar, it displays the product name, and moving over toward the right, there is a refresh icon. Next, there is a little icon that looks like a 3x3 matrix. This is a quick status button showing the adapters vROPs is collecting from, and if there are any notifications that require attention. The rest of the buttons there should be familiar: About, Help, Admin, and Search. The admin has the option of user preferences, which allow you to change things like color scheme, what font to use, and even changing the password. The other option available to you is logging out. Over on the navigation bar, there is normal items of Home, Alert, Environment, Content, and Administration. There is a few additional items now of Login Site and Business Management. These are tie-ins that go directly to that product mentioned, allowing for a seamless integration. Over on the dashboard pane, there is a normal list and actions menu, but the dashboards look a bit different. The home dashboard looks a bit more refined and clean. Moving over to the recommendations dashboard, will show you all the familiar badges and information about them. The dashboards are, of course, dependent on what plugins you have installed, and will show there. Alerts are also easy to get on the navigation menu on the left. If you go ahead and click on it, there will show if there are any active alerts. There is one showing up now. I turned off one of the servers to create this, and from the alert, it's relatively obvious what the issue is. Clicking on the alert, and then on the item itself, will allow the dashboards to come up for that host. One of the tabs that you see there is Logs. You can go ahead and click on the chevron to go ahead and bring out a few more dashboards. But if you click on the logs, this will go ahead and allow Login Site to directly come up and open Login Site with filters enabled to only show entries for that particular object. Moving back to Home, you notice the Login Site button down there. If you click on it, that will take you directly to the Login Site interface. This allows free movement around the interface, just like it was opened in a normal browser window, allowing for the viewing of all normal dashboards and analytic screens. And that will go ahead and conclude this UI walkthrough.